again, somebody...
Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warbirds over Delaware 2025, the last day. You hear the sadness in my voice, but the smile is on my face. Because folks, we have a gorgeous airplane. Let me see, I'm going to check with the pilot. Ron, this is a Panther, right? Panther. It's a Panther. And it is gorgeous. And Ron is a master modeler, has been for many years. There he is, giving us a wave. Anyway, folks, you're in real special treat. So sit back, relax, put on your oxygen mask, because, folks, I feel the need. That's right, folks, the need for speed. Folks, this is a Ziroli kit. For those who aren't familiar with Nick Ziroli, Nick Ziroli is the quintessential aircraft designer for Warbirds. Many of the Warbirds you see here today are Nick Ziroli kits. Well, and he really set the stage for Warbirds in RC. So this is a real treat. All balsa kit, EDF. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
You aren't going to believe this. Adam Lilly is telling me that he and Ben Haggerty had so much fun up there, they both ran out of fuel on the landing. That's having way too much fun.
Folks, while he's up in the air, if you're looking to get into jets and your money's tight, a balsa kit is a great way to go. Very inexpensive, and it's a great way to get familiar with jets.
Man, we both ran out of fuel on landing.
Talking about like yesterday, I came back from the truck. You were pushing, not even went high. I said, don't go high. I'm going to run out of
Alright, we want to let you know that we are World War II modern jet pilots here for our halftime show today. Go on doing that registration and sign up, please. You too can become a legend in your own. Courtesy of Warbirds Classic over Delaware. The electric jet certainly does go fast. The only problem is it's probably got a couple of big brick batteries in it, and you're pulling enough power from those batteries to run a welder. The advantage of an electric jet is pretty cool because you can start and stop your engine in flight if you so desire.
Oh, folks, that's gorgeous. Panther butter right there. Panther butter. Got a great aircraft. Designed by an amazing designer and built An amazing builder. What more could you ask for? Really nice. Pretty rare you see these, by the way, folks. They're not super popular jets, but when you see them, it's a real special treat. All right, friends. More to come. Folks, if you're curious as to what a balsa jet looks like on the inside, like any other jet, you've got your formers and stuff, but you can see here it's all balsa and fly, and it's really nice. And he's got a BVM, EDF ducted fan. That's a Bob Vallette models. All right, friends, more to come.